welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a quick video in Canva, a stunning AI video using Canva's magic design tool. So from your Canva dashboard, you're going to go over to the side, the left panel, where you'll see Magic Studio. So if you click Magic Studio, you'll see the third option is Magic Design for Video. So we're going to click that. And this is where you can try Magic Design. So this is where you can transform your content into short, shareable videos with built-in music within seconds with Magic Design. So the first thing we're going to do is start by uploading our images or videos, or if you want to do both, you can do both. And after we've done that, we're going to select or type in a short description about the video. So let's start. So we're going to go through, I'm going to go through what's in my current Canva uploads. And as you can see at the top right corner of this, you can select up to 10 different videos. So I'm going to choose these two photos, and then I'm also going to choose okay, so I've selected 6, and at the bottom here it says describe the kind of video you want. This is what they're going to use to generate the design. So they give you an example video to promote gluten-free bakery. So what I'm going to type in is video to showcase the benefits social media marketing. And then I'm going to click generate, and it's going to take a couple seconds to generate your video. And keep in mind, once they have generated your video, you can always edit anything in there. So if you don't like where the text is, you can move the text. You can move it down because that's covering her face, and then go over to the next slide, check and see if everything is to your liking. So let's just move this up so we can see her face. And then once we are done editing, we could always, like I said, you can edit anything with the text and the font and everything like that, the color, everything. So when we're done and satisfied with our video, we are going to play it from the beginning. And there you have your video. That was pretty cute, pretty cool. And I know the video says under 10 minutes, but that was literally under 5 minutes. Like, we literally did that in like 5 minutes. So if you want to use Canva's new magic design tool, that's how you do it. And everything is automatic. You just choose your video, your photos, and Canva does the rest.